Hello Victor, my name is Dr. Sbaitso. I am here to help you. Say whatever is in your mind freely. Our conversation will be kept in strict confidence. Memory contents will be wiped off after you leave. So, tell me about your problems.
Remember that? It's Dr. Sbaitso, an artificial intelligence program designed as a digital psychologist made by Creative Labs and introduced in the early 90s for DOS. You know, the operating system? Now imagine then the concept of a modern digital psychologist, much like the nostalgic Dr. Sbaitso, but powered by generative AI. It surely presents a fascinating evolution in the intersection of artificial intelligence and mental health support. And now, about this. So Sbaitso is just an acronym for Sound Blaster Acting Intelligent Text-to-Speech Operator, and in 1992 was created to showcase the digitized synthetic voice capabilities of Creative Labs' Sound Blaster audio cards, which were among the first pieces of hardware to support high-quality audio on PCs during that time. Back then I was aiming for the Turtle Beach sound cards, but this was a very cool thing to see, I must admit. The program was designed to simulate a conversation with an AI psychologist using a text-based interface where users could type in their thoughts or questions, and Dr. Sbaitso would respond in a very kind manner, with a robotic voice due to the limitations of text-to-speech technology at that time. Very Stephen Hawking kind of a thing, you see. But the interesting part was the responses were regenerated through simple pattern matching and pre-scripted messages, which could lead to some humorous and out-of-the-blue replies, pretty much revealing its limitations in understanding human language deeply. Obviously, this application was notable not for its ability to provide genuine psychological advice or therapy, but rather as an early example of interactive entertainment software that attempted to mimic human conversation. It served as a demonstration of sound cards' capabilities in personal computers. So it's a stark contrast to today's advanced voice assistants and AI chatbots that can perform a wide range of tasks, from answering complex queries to controlling smart home devices with natural language processing capabilities, far beyond what was imaginable at the time of Dr. Sbaitso's creation. Have you tried a voice chat with these Gen AI assistants? It's quite amazing, I must say. So the capabilities of Gen AI have grown exponentially, offering a depth of interaction, understanding, and responsiveness that Dr. Sbaitso could never achieve. In the likes of NLP, natural language processing, where techniques are applied to understand and generate human-like interactions. This allows for a much more nuanced and coherent conversation with users, providing a space where individuals can express their thoughts and feelings in a natural and intuitive way. The Gen AI can analyze the sentiment behind user inputs, ask relevant follow-up questions, and provide responses that are empathetic and contextually appropriate. So a digital psychologist powered by Gen AI can be accessible 24/7, providing immediate support for individuals in need, regardless of time or location. This can be particularly valuable for those who might have difficulty accessing traditional mental health services due to the geographic, financial, or social barriers. For many, the anonymity provided by interacting with the digital AI can reduce the stigma associated with seeking psychological help. Users may feel more comfortable sharing personal or sensitive information with an AI, knowing that their privacy is maintained. But be careful, because Gen AI companies will mine, train, and fine-tune all of that data and interactions for future use. Yet these AI systems can be integrated into various platforms and devices, making mental health support more widely available. They also can handle a large number of users simultaneously, scaling to meet demand without the need of additional human resources. And all of them can be trained in modern practices, approaches, and knowledge for each individual user by leveraging the available knowledge in books, studies, and philosophies even. But there are some challenges and considerations, especially ethical and privacy concerns. Implementing AI in mental health raises significant ethical considerations, including ensuring user data privacy and handling sensitive information responsibly. Whilst AI can provide valuable support, it should implement, not replace, human mental health professionals. Complex cases and severe mental health issues require the expertise and empathy of human practitioners. And finally, despite advances in AI, understanding the full depth of human emotion and context is a challenging task. AI might not always understand the situations accurately or provide appropriate responses to complex emotional issues. Bottom line, building a modern version of Dr. Sbaitso powered by Gen AI, it's not just if it's possible, but actually a matter of time and who will do it. It's clear that Gen AI technology could significantly enhance the accessibility and quality of mental health support. However, it is crucial to approach this integration with care, addressing ethical, privacy, and professional considerations to ensure that AI serves as a beneficial complement to traditional mental health services. As we progress, the collaboration between AI developers, psychologists, ethicists, and users will be vital in creating digital psychologists that are not only technologically advanced, but also ethically sound and genuinely supportive of mental health and well-being.